Renting out your RV is an excellent way to generate extra income. But how do you get started? From selecting the best platform to handling insurance, taxes, and gathering feedback from other owners, this video will address all your concerns. We'll explore the advantages and disadvantages, the most popular types of RVs, and strategies to maximize your vehicle's profitability. Whether you're new to RV rentals or have some experience, our tips will guide you through the process. We are Xavier and Caroline, and we toured Europe for 2 years in a motorhome, all while working and earning a living. During this trip, we gained experience and some tips to both discover countries but also earn enough money to protect ourselves from the future. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to our other networks where we provide free useful content on van life and digital nomadism. And now let's go back to our content. Can you rent out your RV to generate extra income? Yes, you can, but there are specific conditions to meet. Firstly, ensure your vehicle is in good condition and complies with legal requirements. A complete checkup by a mechanic is essential to confirm everything is in order and the vehicle meets technical inspection standards. Any mechanical issues must be resolved immediately. Otherwise, renting your RV legally won't be possible. How should you prepare your RV for rental? It's crucial to check the overall condition and setup of your RV. All equipment should be functional and in good condition. Think about your future renter's experience. A clean, well-maintained interior makes all the difference. Don't forget to inspect the decoration and interior layout. A welcoming and well-thought-out space can greatly attract renters. Before proceeding with the rental, ensure to fine-tune the details. Conduct a thorough cleaning, replacing worn-out items, and ensuring all necessary documents are up to date. Image is important, so take the best photos of your RV to give yourself the best chance of renting it out. Why should you consider renting out your RV? Renting out your RV allows you to generate additional income, reduce maintenance and repayment costs, and prevent degradation due to inactivity. Firstly, renting your RV can bring in significant extra income. If your vehicle is popular and regularly rented, you could earn several thousand euros, or dollars or pounds per year. This money can cover maintenance costs, insurance, or even fund your next RV vacation. How can renting your RV help with maintenance and repayments? Maintenance and repayment costs can be significantly reduced with the income generated from renting. Purchasing an RV is often a substantial investment, and rental income can help you pay off your monthly installments faster or even pay off your loan early. Additionally, this money can cover regular maintenance costs, further easing your budget. How does renting your RV prevent degradation due to inactivity? A vehicle that sits idle for long periods is more prone to damage. Tires deflate, seals dry out, batteries drain, etc. By regularly renting out your RV, you ensure it is used, contributing to its proper functioning. For example, we paid 16,500 euros for the RV, plus an additional 3,000 euros for the solar installation. When we're stationary, the RV sits unused, which feels wasteful. Renting it out can generate significant extra income, though we hesitate because we can only rent it out on platforms for 6 months outside of France. Is renting your RV to individuals a good idea? Renting your RV to individuals might seem like a simple and cost-effective solution, but it comes with unique challenges. Many people think of using sites like Craigslist or renting to friends to avoid fees. But is this really a good idea? Renting out your RV without using a dedicated platform might save on commission fees, but the risks can be numerous. Unlike an apartment, an RV moves, adding a layer of complexity. For example, a renter unfamiliar with the vehicle's height could easily damage the roof by passing under a low bridge. Regarding insurance, you must inform your insurer and ensure your policy covers this type of rental. Without adequate coverage, you could end up paying out of pocket in case of an incident, which can quickly become expensive. Rental platforms often include specific insurance that covers damages caused by renters. Potential damages are another consideration. An RV is a significant investment, and each rental carries the risk of scratches, dents, or mechanical issues due to improper use. Handling potential disputes can be stressful. Without an intermediary, managing everything yourself can be time-consuming and complicated. Additionally, you'll need to draft contracts, handle deposits, and organize inspections, which involves considerable administrative work. Why might using a rental platform be a better option? In our experience, renting directly without an agency can be a hassle. When renting my apartment directly, everything went well initially, but managing issues without professional help was challenging. Using a real estate agency later on proved beneficial. especially when unexpected problems like water damage occurred. Similarly, using a dedicated platform for RV rentals provides appropriate insurance and support, making the process smoother and safer. The best site to rent out your RV depends on your specific needs, insurance, ease of use, and services offered. Let's compare some of the main platforms. Yescapa is often cited as a top choice in Europe, offering comprehensive insurance and user-friendly features, though it has higher fees. Arvezi is ideal for North America, focusing on customer-first service. Outdoorsy provides extensive support with $1 million insurance and no membership fees, making it suitable for a global reach. RV Share, the oldest and largest in the US, is known for its safety and variety. Indie Campers supports flexible European travel, and My Camper promotes unique experiences in Northern Europe with a strong community focus. Consider the offered insurance, ease of use, and additional services like deposit management, concierge service, or roadside assistance. Take the time to compare multiple listings similar to yours on each platform to assess the competition and adjust your offer. Which types of RVs are rented the most? The most rented RVs are typically overcabs, low profiles, A-classes, and converted vans and panel vans. Overcabs are highly sought after for their large sleeping capacity, making them ideal for large families or groups of friends. Low profiles are appreciated for their balance between comfort and reasonable size. A-classes attract those seeking maximum comfort and autonomy while traveling. Converted vans and panel vans are increasingly in demand for their ease of driving and practicality, especially among couples and small families. Their compact size and ability to go almost anywhere, without sacrificing necessary comfort, appeal to those looking for a simpler travel experience closer to nature. In our opinion, a low-profile RV, like our Heimer B544, offers the advantage of being compact yet comfortable. For more information on this topic, check out our article about which type of RV might suit you for van life. Is renting out your RV profitable? Renting out your RV can be profitable. In the UK, you could earn between £300 and £1,200 per week, depending on the type and condition of your vehicle, as well as the season and location. In the US, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $450 per night, with potential annual earnings reaching up to $50,000 if rented frequently during high-demand periods. However, factor in maintenance, listing fees, and potential repairs. Proper insurance and clear rental agreements are essential to protect your investment. Rental frequency is key to maximizing income. Optimize your listing with high-quality photos and offer competitive rates. The condition of the vehicle also plays an important role. A well-maintained, clean RV will attract more renters. Investing in regular maintenance and upgrades can be beneficial in the long run. The time of year influences profitability, with the high season, especially summer, being the most lucrative period. Conversely, the low season may see a decrease in rentals and income. To maximize profitability, balance an attractive rental price with good management of availability. Also, consider the costs of maintenance, insurance, and any commissions from rental platforms. Properly declaring this income is essential, which we'll cover next. How do taxes apply when renting out your RV? Renting out your RV generates income that you must declare to the tax authorities. In the US, rental income from your RV is treated similarly to rental income from real estate. To declare your rental income, include it on your annual income tax return. Rental income is reported on Schedule E, Form 1040. You can take advantage of certain deductions, such as maintenance costs, insurance premiums, loan interest, depreciation, advertising, cleaning and maintenance, commissions paid to rental platforms, and storage fees. Keep all receipts for your expenses in case of a tax audit. As you've gathered from this video, there are numerous advantages to renting out your RV in an era where more and more people want to enjoy this type of experience. Paying off your loan, upgrading your vehicle with the rental income, or simply earning more money. What's stopping us from diving in? For many, the hardest part will be taking the plunge and sharing a property that took years to acquire, and possibly seeing it damaged by someone else. Will you? You'll find it easier to rent your motorhome if it has internet access, and we've got a video explaining how to get internet access everywhere in Vanlife.